In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Format Painter in PowerPoint. This nifty tool can save you a lot of time and effort when you want to ensure consistency across your presentations. Maybe you've crafted the perfect font style, size, or color for a text box, or designed an object just the way you like. Instead of tediously repeating all those formatting steps, you can simply paint these settings from one place to another. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to launch Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If you're not sure where to start, just navigate to the Start menu, type PowerPoint, and click on the application when it comes up. Once you have PowerPoint open, your starting point will be choosing whether you want to work on an existing project or start with a fresh canvas. Opening a saved file is as simple as clicking on Open and selecting your document. Alternatively, click on New to begin a presentation from scratch. At this point, this is where you can start adding any photos, tables, or other content you plan on using as you develop your slides. Now, let's talk about the heart of this process: selecting the text or object with the particular formatting that inspires that aha moment. This could be as simple as a text box where you've settled on just the perfect shade of green, or perhaps an object with a specific style that fits your overall theme. With your inspirational style selected, head over to the Home tab, prominently displayed at the top of the interface. Here's where the magic starts. In the Clipboard group, you'll find the Format Painter icon, a small brush situated on a yellow clipboard. Go ahead and double-click on this icon. Why double-click, you ask? By doing so, you're activating the Format Painter for multiple uses. This means you're not limited to just one copy-paste action. The tool stays active as you move through your presentation, applying that beloved formatting to as many other objects or text boxes as needed. Simply click on each object or text box you wish to transform, and watch as the formatting seamlessly travels from your original source. Once you've finished spreading your formatting flair across the slides, it's time to deactivate the Format Painter. This can be done in a couple of simple ways. Press the ESC key on your keyboard or toggle off the Format Painter by clicking the icon one more time. This is an important step to avoid any accidental formatting changes as you continue to work. And there you have it. That's how you use the Format Painter in PowerPoint to achieve a polished, cohesive look effortlessly. Now you're ready to enhance your presentations like a pro, saving precious time and ensuring consistency with every slide you create. Happy presenting!